Hello, it's Rachel at Autoline Toyota, and today we're going to go over some key features of your smart key. Now, this will unlock your door based on proximity, but what do you do if your fob battery is dead? I can't unlock my vehicle. Don't worry, even if your fob battery is dead, there's an override to get inside the vehicle as well as turn it on and drive away. At the bottom of your key fob, there is a key release. So you simply slide it over and you can remove the key. You insert the key into the door. My key fob battery is dead, but don't worry, I can still turn on my vehicle. So you put your foot on the brake and push the button as normal. It will say key not detected. What you do is you put your fob over the ignition button here, push your foot down on the brake, and it will override and allow you to turn on the vehicle. Even if your fob is dead, you're not stranded and you can still drive away.